Today, we will learn all about collective noun. When a lot of things are together, we don't have to name them one by one. So, we can use one word for the whole group. That word is called collective noun. A collective noun is like a team name. Here are some examples of collective noun by category. First, we will see some example for group of people. Team of players. A crew of sailors. A panel of experts. A gang of thieves. A band of musicians. A jury of judges. Now, we will see some example for group of animals. A pride of lions. A flock of birds. A pack of wolves. A leap of leopards. A parade of elephants. A colony of ants. And now, we will take third category, group of things. A clump of trees. A bundle of sticks. A range of mountains. A stack of books. A set of tools. A galaxy of stars. Did you know, when animals party together, they get a group name? Quiz time. Let's play a quick game. What do you call a group of cats? 1. A whisper of cats. 2. A clouder of cats. 3. A pizza of cats. The right answer is 2. A clouder of cats. What do you call a group of bananas? 1. A bundle. 2. A bunch. 3. A pack. The right answer is 2. A bunch. What do you call a group of soldiers? 1. An army. 2. A squad. 3. A battle. The right answer is 1. An army. What do you call a group of people watching a show? 1. A crowd. 2. A theater. 3. An audience. Write your answer in comments.